Hi friends, welcome to Pyramid Bell channel. I am going to tell you a happy news. I was the one of the winner in the Mahzooz online lottery ticket. Yes friends, I just won a prize amount. So in this video, I am going to show you how I redeem the prize amount to my bank account. So please watch the video till the end to know all the steps how to redeem the prize money. Okay friends, come let's enter the video. So as a first step, you want to enter the mahzooz.com web page and login. If you have already the login credential, you just log in or else create new one. So once you log in, just you scroll down and look for the tab called messages. Just click the messages and you have to check whether you have won or not, because from Mahzooz you don't get any kind of message, mail or any kind of phone calls that you are one of the winner. We need to check by ourselves. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. You can see here I'm showing the message called subject you won. Just click it. Once you click it, will redirect you to the another page. Log in this page. Once you click the button login, it will redirect to another web page as you are seeing here. So here you can see under the my account there are two tabs. One, either you have to add the winning amount to the credit balance or you have to transfer or withdraw the money. So just by scrolling down you can see all kind of details regarding the winning money and the date of the winning. So here you have to click the transfer or withdraw button. You can see here I won 250 AED, around 5000 Indian rupees. So once you click, it is redirect you to the withdraw page where you can withdraw the full amount or partial amount, but read clearly the instructions which you are seeing in the screen. There are two type of transfer. One is bank transfer and another one is cash transfer. So depend upon your account. In this video I am going to choose a bank transfer. So I just click the button bank transfer and start transfer. Once I did, we need to fill all kind of beneficiary details, country code, everything. Once you done, just click the withdraw fund button which is shown here in the yellow tab. So you can see here AED 200 and above no fees, but below 200 you have to pay 10 dirhams inside UAE and for international 20 dirhams. So this is the criteria has been set up here. Once I click the withdraw button, that's it. The amount has been withdrawn. The request has been successfully launched. I get this message. The amount will be redeemed within 7 working days. Now you can see here the amount winning balance becomes 0.00, means already the process started and the amount it is showing in minus 250 AED, means the amount already transferred to my given bank account. So friends, it's very clear. I have explained. I hope so. I just bought the ticket for paying 35 AED, means in India it is around 750 rupees, but the winning prize amount is around 5200 approximately. It is in 250 AED. Hope you all like this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and click the bell button. If you have any comment, feel free to give your comment in the comment section. How to get this Mahzooz online lottery ticket? There are many videos I have already created. In the description the links are available. Just click and watch the videos. Mahzooz online lottery ticket in UAE is a famous and number one online lottery ticket which is running very successfully. Hope you all like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.